Okay, good day to you, my wonderful online students. We will continue from where we stopped. I want to say hi to everybody watching this YouTube channel. So let us now see our work for today. Chemical properties of CO. CO is not carbon 4, it is carbon 2 oxide. Number one chemical property of this carbon 2 oxide is as a reducing agent. Take for instance PbO, that is lead 2 oxide, plus CO, which is a reducing agent, go to Pb plus CO2. It has reduced that lead oxide to lead now. Now let us see if the same carbon 2 oxide combines with oxygen. It's going to form a carbon 4 oxide. Now look at this. When carbon 2 oxide is combined with the hemoglobin in the blood, it forms carboxyl hemoglobin, which can lead to suffocation and eventually to death. Now, how do you test for carbon 2 oxide? Bubble the unknown gas through a test tube containing lime water. Apply a lighted split to the test tube. See what happens there? The gas will burn with a blue flame and turn the lime water milky. After burning, but not before burning. Now, differences between carbon 2 oxide and carbon 4 oxide. You can see carbon 2 oxide is here, carbon 4 oxide is at the other side. Action on litmus paper. You can see that this one will turn blue litmus paper red. This one has no action on litmus paper. This one burns in air to give blue flame. This one is non-flammable. Please put it down and put it in your mind. Next slide, uses of carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is used in the extraction of metals from their ore. It's an important constituent of gaseous fuel. It is used in the preparation of methanol by catalytic process. It is also used as reducing agent. So take note of those uses of carbon 2 oxide. Now let's move on to TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 acid. TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 or hydrogen TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 is formed when carbon 4 oxide is dissolved in water. TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 acid is a weak acid which neutralizes base to form TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 salt or bicarbonate, that is hydrogen TRIOXOCARBONATE. Now, TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 acid, the salt can either be a normal or acid salt. It reacts with sodium hydroxide to form normal sodium TRIOXOCARBONATE 4. Now TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 acid, look at the equation here. This is hydrogen TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 plus sodium hydroxide, giving us sodium TRIOXOCARBONATE 4, water and carbon 4 oxide. You know, chemistry is very simple and they link themselves. As you have learned the properties of acid, it's still reflecting here. Now hydrogen TRIOXOCARBONATE 4 plus sodium hydroxide is as well giving us sodium hydrogen triiocarbonate 4 plus water and carbon 4 oxide. Now TRIOXOCARBONATE 4. These are formed when H2CO3 reacts with free metal or metallic oxide or other dissolved salt. Let's look at the occurrence. Metallic triiocarbonate 4 are usually formed as metallic ore. Now, how do you prepare triiocarbonate 4? The only soluble triiocarbonate 4 are those of sodium, potassium, and ammonium salt. So when you have sodium triiocarbonate 4, it is soluble in water. When you have potassium triiocarbonate 4, it is soluble in water. When you also have ammonium triiocarbonate 4, it's also soluble in water. Take note of that. They are prepared by bubbling carbon 4 oxide through a solution of the corresponding alkali. Look at the total view of it. KOH plus CO2 go to K2CO3 plus H2O. You can see this is an acid anhydride. It's carbon 4 oxide plus potassium hydroxide. It's now giving us K2OH plus H2O. If you need to balance this equation, you need to put 2 at the back of KOH here. Then you will be good to go. Preparation of TRIOXOCARBONATE. Sodium and potassium carbonate are also prepared by heating corresponding hydrogen triiocarbonate. Since the two are not decomposed on heating. Now listen to this. The triiocarbonate 4 of group 1 element cannot be decomposed on heat. So if you heat sodium triiocarbonate 4, it will not decompose. If you heat potassium triiocarbonate 4, it will not decompose. So, and because they are not decomposed by heat, they are soluble in water. Please put this on your mind. It's a very important point. They don't decompose, but they are soluble in water. Thank you.